What's up, guys? Welcome back to Dame Untamed. I am back in beautiful British Columbia and I'm coming at you with another Vancouver Island adventure. We are driving from Nanaimo to Sooke, BC. And when I say we, obviously I mean Scuba Max is joining me. We have rented a beautiful little tiny home Airbnb in the forest. We're gonna be exploring the Sooke area and we've got some pretty cool ruins that we're gonna check out. Let's hit it. What did you make us for lunch?
Well, some little tuna poke bowls, minus the tuna. So some vegan
poke bowls.
Vegan poke bowls.
Ooh,
Look
yummy.
at that. Chef Scuba Max right here in the house.
So for this trip, kind of crappy news, we're gonna have a lot of rain. I know I need to get used to this. I live on the West Coast now, so this is just the way it goes. So there's gonna be a lot of rainy day activities happening during this trip. But this morning is beautiful. We have a lovely little morning sunrise happening right now for us to load the car, and then we'll be on our way.
Now that I'm looking back, I can see all the signs I tried to fill in the cracks that were spread in my mind, but I was all out of hope, lost in an endless maze. The emptiness had unfolded just like a void, but you broke the coldness somehow and lit up a flame. And ooh, I was done feeling hopeless, screamed out loud because
All right, breakfast of champions here. Got puke bowl number 1 and puke bowl number 2.
Look how crusty
It's
it is.
crusty, but it tastes so good.
Well,
just doesn't look good.
You're being healthy.
No, we both are. This is a healthy start to our day.
I got peanut butter and maple syrup in my yogurt.
in your arms of gold.
So we picked up the third member of our tribe.
Girls' weekend.
And woohoo! Rainy girls weekend.
Yes.
Because that's what we're dealing with right now. It's
But
okay.
rain is good for what? Salmon.
Salmon, which we're gonna go see right now. First stop of the day is Charters Creek, and we're gonna go check out the salmon run. Woohoo!
With this nerd. Let's go back to the nerd.
And lit up a flame. Ooh, I was my own enemy, screamed out loud because it felt impossible in my bones.
Teach
So-
the class.
Here we have chum salmon. They have a beautiful green and purple stripes here. And then we have the coho salmon, which you can see have a little bit of red coloration. And the males have a little snout like this.
Okay.
And then the Chinook salmon are a little bit more spotted, and they're the big ones. So
Which
let's
I
see.
caught on our fishing trip.
Yes.
The big bad boys.
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
Let's see what we can find.
Woohoo! With our naturalist trail guide here. Just very wet here.
Good thing we didn't bring Oscar, because he would be rolling in
Oh, that is one dead fish. Ooh. Oh God, it smells bad.
My doubts are gone. Oh, yeah. Felt impossible in my bones, like getting blood out of the stone on my own. But you came around and removed the thorn in my soul. You guided me out of the storm. I found home in your arms of gold. In your arms of gold. In your arms of gold. I rise from the ashes with pins and patches. We carry on. I rise from the ashes.
People, it's Pokeball time.
Pokeball time. This is insane. Let's do this.
Yummy! Thank you.
And cheers.
Cheers! Cheers to Pokeballs!
I don't want to take my gloves off, okay? Thank you. Oh, one more, I'm good. I'm going to take them off. Thank you. Okay. Are you sure? That's what we do for each other.
Alright, this is a delayed reaction, but we just freaked out about 3 things in a row. So this is a really cool mushroom. And then over to your left
Let's put the
is
size
the
in.
biggest banana slug I think I've ever seen on the island so far. Like
Pretty
that
much.
is a massive animal.
It's like the size of a snake. Look at that.
It is definitely the size of a snake,
But
for
we
sure.
won't touch him.
We'll leave him
Look
be.
at the hole on the side here. That's huge.
He's pretty sweet.
He's kind of ugly though.
No, he's not. What's wrong with you? If you're interested in learning more about these abandoned ruins, click the link in the cards above for more information. Alright guys, so we just walked along the Riverside Trail here in Sooke Potholes Provincial Park. Girls, what did we think of the park?
Beautiful.
Really cool place to come, probably in the summertime more so you can swim in the river and not freeze your little tatas
Although
off.
some people were swimming.
There were people
Like
swimming, but
I
they...
dipped my hair.
You did dip your hair, that's right. You're badass. Anyway, off to our next stop, which is our tiny home Airbnb.
With the hot tub.
With a hot tub! Let's go to the hot tub, to the hot tub. Get it, get it, get it, get it. We made it to East Sooke. We have arrived.
I see it. It's on the right.
I think we park right here. Yeah. Right here.
Really? Let's go check this out.
So we just rolled up to our tiny home Airbnb. Look how cute it is. Private hot tub. For those of you who are looking for a more in-depth tour of this tiny home, click the link in the cards above for the full video. the is that? Does everyone see what's happening right now? That is not welcome here, even from me. It's fine, everybody. I got it. A mutant giant version of Gary. That is what's happening. I'm gonna deal with it. I'm just not excited. Ah! Max, I got it. There's no way of it getting out. I just need you to come out and see how big it is. No, get your ass out here. I just saved your life.
Okay, bring it outside. I will look at it outside.
Okay, it's outside.
Okay. No, I'm legit.
It's outside. Okay, fine. I'm leaving the door. I'm going outside. It's fine. Like, it's literally taken care of. Look what she did to it. Girl, that would not have protected you from a spider. When it was hanging, you don't even know. When it was hanging,
Okay, let's go outside. Let's go.
Let's go. What are you gonna do? What are you gonna do? What are you gonna do?
Let's not even joke about this. Let's just. Don't put it near the hot dog.
Fling it somewhere, like. This thing is a mutant. This thing is a mutant ninja turtle.
I am stressed out. That's kind of pretty, actually.
You're welcome.
Thank
Like,
you.
let me just do a curtsy. I know you said some things that you didn't mean in there. You're welcome. Okay, everybody. So I just saved our lives from the monster that was the spider of Max's nightmares.
Cheers that we
So
survived.
now we're gonna go in the hot tub. Alright, we just finished our night in the hot tub. Guys, what did you think of our day?
I'm tired.
What time is it?
11. It's like
We made it
like 3 in
past
the morning.
11.
No, it's like 3 in the morning.
Just kidding, it's like 3:30 a.m. We can literally tell them whatever time we want it to be. What was your favorite part of the day?
My favorite part? Take a wild guess. The hot tub.
No, the pub food.
No, the salmon.
The salmon!
Of course.
Okay, and then the pub food.
Yeah.
Okay, well, it's 3:30 in the morning, so we should probably, like... Stop laughing! That's the time. That is the time on the clock right now. We're going to bed. Adios. We'll see you in the morning.